Warlock is getting attacked by a grouse.
Come on, be cool, be cool.
Oh, not again, man. Honestly. What is going on with you? You're fucking crazy.
Ooh, you go around. Ooh, look, it's pretty quick. Give you a little shake and bake, a little head
Yeah.
fake. A little head fake.
Oh shit!
Oh man.
Oh man, you should really use two hands when defending against a grouse attack. Oh, I'm out of here! Oh, it's still coming!
We should blow by it and go. It's attacking us in a way.
Oh, for sure, man. Here we go!
Ah, damn it!
I know! Alright, I gotta switch gears. Put my phone away. Is it done? Oh my god, it's still running at you, buddy. Okay.